So we'll be doing the second one, which is the watermelon pineapple smoothies. Watermelon pineapple. Watermelon pineapple. So here is our pineapple, and here is our watermelon. So somebody will now ask, do you blend the watermelon together with the seed? Yes, you can do that. All right. Reason being that we mentioned that some smoothies are good for the helps in digestion of food, and it's not just anything than the fibrous element in the fruit, like the seed. When you talk about fiber is like, when you eat a watermelon with the seed, after you have swallowed the watermelon, you can still feel some particles of it in your mouth, which is from the seed. Do you get it? Or when you eat fruits that has some tough backs like this, after you have swallowed the fruit, you can still feel some particles in your mouth. Those are fiber. Okay, those are what we call fiber. So it helps in digestion of food. So that's why we choose to blend our watermelon together with the seed, which is also optional. If you don't want it that way, you can remove them and blend just the fruit. Okay, so but I'll be blending together with the seed. All right, so here my blender, I've added the water lemon. So, and this is our pineapple. So I'll just take a half of it, cut them into pieces. Smoothie is just something anybody can do. Okay, and remember I told us that milk is what? Optional. It's optional. Our yogurt is optional, or milk. Some people will use milk, some people will use yogurt. Okay, so and our measurement remains half cup or 150 milks. 50, 100, 150. Okay, yeah, that's 150. So then you add some cube of ice just to make it chill. Okay, then you blend the whole thing together. Let me touch it. So you blend until it is smooth. So you might test the smoothie and it's not sweet. You are not taking it because of the sweetness, but because of the health benefits. All right. So you are not taking a smoothie sometimes because you expect it to be sweet. You are taking it because of the health benefits. So we are done blending. So you add to your cup, whatever cup you are making use of. But here we are making use of a hurricane glass. So you could garnish with cube of watermelon. So you cut some watermelon into cubes. Can I get cubes
Watermelon wedge.
or wedge? Whichever one you can achieve. If you don't do cubes, you do a crown. I'll show us how to do a crown. Yes. So the reason why you are doing this is that when somebody is taking the watermelon drink smoothie, they can also have some of it to chew. Okay? So don't forget that there are straws you use for smoothies, and it's called a bold straw. So here is our, can everybody see it? Here is your watermelon pineapple smoothies. Yes.
Can you control
No,
it there?
let me bring that shaker, one part of the shaker. So I want to show us how to carve out a crown. So videographer, please, can you help us rinse it?
Are you doing another one?
So I want to do the third one. Yes. Okay, let me show you. So that's another thing you can use for your garnishing. It's called a crown. Okay? It's something anybody can do. So now you just have to cut it in a straight form. I'll show us after I've cut it, I'll show us what I mean. Cut the back of the watermelon to look straight like this. Can you all see it?
Yes.
Okay. Then you begin to cut it in angles. You know a crown have angles. Okay. Somehow in a zigzag shape. So you start from one end, cut it into angles. I'll show us. You'll see the result. Okay, you cannot see it. Can you all see that? Who can do this? Everybody can do this. So you now I can remove this now and decide to garnish with this. So you fold it and insert it into the cup. Okay? And here you have a watermelon crown, so which you can use to garnish your smoothie. Is it not nice? So perhaps if there's any other thing you still want to add to beautify it, you want it to look like a fine masquerade, you go on and do that. So there are different ways to garnish. Just have to be creative. Okay?